welcome to Schogini Toys. Today we'll build a very simple project which all of us can do easily. And this project is capable of testing our steadiness, how steady our hand is. Okay, so let's see what all we need. We need a PVC piece, but instead of this, you can also use a wooden piece. I have taken a PVC electrical casing. You can get this from any electrical shop. We will also need a 9-volt battery. And a holder for this battery so that we can easily connect the battery to the our circuit to the battery. Okay, so a 9-volt battery and a connector. You can get these from any electronic shop. We will also need some wires. Here I have used wires with some crocodile clips at the end. Okay, but if you don't get such a wire, you can use any ordinary wire as well. The advantage of using such a wire is we can easily make connection without having to solder. And I'm also using some stiff wire. This is called hookup wire, where you will find that it has a stiff wire inside. And another most important component is called a buzzer. This is capable of making a alarm sound. Okay, it has got 2 pins, plus and minus. So that is all we need. Let's see how we can build. Now first what we need to do is let's keep these things aside. Okay, and connect the battery to the connector. Make sure that these 2 wires don't touch to avoid any short circuit. And then we take the buzzer. Buzzer has got a sticker which you can remove, and it has got a longer pin which is plus. So we touch the longer pin to the red wire of the connector and the black wire to the shorter pin. This confirms that the buzzer is working when connected to this 9-volt battery. Okay, so now what we need to do is I have taken 2 long screws. You can get these screws from any hardware shop, and we can attach this on either side like this. Okay, so I have attached 2 screws like this, and the hookup wire, what I will do is I will attach it straight like this across. Okay, but before that we need to make a tiny loop on the other wire, hookup wire, like this. Okay, so can you see this small loop? And we will insert this through this wire. After that, what we can do is we can make a small dent here like this on one end, and then twist the wire tightly onto the screw on this side. Okay, after that you can attach the other end like this, and if there is any extra length you can just tuck it inside to make it look neat. Okay, so we now have a metal wire stretched from one screw to the other, and we also have a small loop which can be moved across. So when we move, if this wire touches the other wire, you will hear the buzzer. So the game is to make sure that you keep your hand steady to move this ring from one end to the other without touching. Okay, so now the connection is this wire. We can connect it to the red of the power, and the other wire we will use the crocodile clip to easily connect it, and it goes to the shorter or the negative pin of the buzzer. Okay, and the other pin we connect it like this to our moving wire. Okay, so now the connection is complete. You see this? So the game starts when the wire is kept on the left side, and you can ask your friends to try to move from left to right without touching the wire like this. Okay, you can also make the game in such a way that you can start a timer and ask them to hold it as long as they can without making the wires touch. You see this? And if you want to make this more difficult, you can make the loop smaller. So here I have made the loop around 1 centimeter in diameter, but you can make this smaller. Okay, and in Schogini Toys we have kits like this where once it touches, the alarm stays on, alarm stays triggered. For that you need a small electronic circuit, but this one is very easy to make, and you can use this as a very nice science project for your school exhibitions. Okay, best wishes, and make sure that you remember to remove the battery from the holder so that it does not accidentally get shorted. Okay, enjoy. See you soon with another project like this which all of us can do. Take care.